In this summary lesson, we'll do a quick recap of photosynthesis. Here we have a plant. We have the roots are in the soil here, and we have the stem, and we have leaves, and we have light interacting with the leaves. So photosynthesis is the process. It's a complicated process, but it's the process by which water molecules absorbed from the roots delivered up to the leaves, and carbon dioxide molecules which enter through the small openings called stomata. Here we see a nail polish impression of the stomata. Those two simple molecules are the starting materials to build glucose. Glucose is a sugar, and in the process oxygen molecules are released as waste. Now this happens within leaf cells, and specifically in the green discs of the leaf cells called chloroplasts. Here we see them in the picture here. So photosynthesis is chemistry that is producing glucose, and we can think of this as food for the plant. The plant is converting solar energy into this chemical energy in the form of glucose. Now specifically, the solar energy required are the blue lights and the red colors. The greens are reflected. It's the blues and the reds that are absorbed by chlorophyll molecules on the surface of chloroplasts, and it's this energy that powers the chemistry of photosynthesis. Now you'll recall that Schleiden, that botanist in the 1800s who argued that plants were multicellular, you'll remember he had this idea that plant cells live a double life. Let's take the leaf cell here. See, now the leaf cell is doing something really valuable for the plant. It's building glucose from water and carbon dioxide. But how does the leaf get the water? Oh, it's the root cells down here underneath the ground. See, so the root cells are helping the leaf cells by delivering water up into the leaf. But wait a second, the root cells are down here in the dirt. There's no sunlight down there. In fact, the root cells do not even have chloroplasts, so they cannot do photosynthesis. They don't have the chloroplasts, and there's no light down there. Well, how does a root cell survive? Because the leaf cells are going to take some of that glucose that they made and deliver some of it down to the roots to keep them alive. So it's in this way, in a multicelled organism, that the cells have a double life. On the one hand, they can all survive as living cells, but they have to be helping each other out. The root cells help the leaf cells help the root cells, and together they ensure that all cells of the plant remain alive.